Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a productive Sunday in my life.
You have to be your biggest fan. And
so it's currently Sunday at around 12:30 and I just kind of woke up and I watched a show on the couch and just kind of chilled, and I was like, okay, I gotta get up. It's a super sunny Sunday and I was like, okay, I have to do a few things before I go and like do something fun. So I wanted to clean up my office because it's literally a disaster. I've just been like dropping things all weekend in here. This is like my closet slash like dressing room slash office, closet room, everything. Well, I have to clean this up first before I go to the beach. So yesterday I went to the beach for like 3 or 4 hours with my friends and it was so much fun. Like I'm like, oh my god, I miss the beach so much. So, and I bought a beach pass for the summer, so I want to make sure, and I'm setting the intention to go to the beach at least once a week all summer, because I literally live 20 minutes from like one of the nicest beaches ever. Like it's so pretty, it's gorgeous. I just need to go more often. I'm going to clean up my office first. I'm gonna try to do this as quickly as possible, and I'm gonna take you on a beach day. I'm gonna bring my book. I'm gonna bring, so I went yesterday with some friends and my friends' friends, so I got to meet them as well, which was really nice. But yeah, so I'm gonna go today by myself. My family is at my cottage, so I'm just here by myself. So I was like, I might as well do something instead of just like lazing around all day. That's not great for a hangover. I'm just gonna get up and I'm gonna do something, and I'm just gonna have a great Sunday. So I'm just gonna make it the best Sunday I can. But if you haven't seen one of my videos before, hi, I'm Lydia. Hi, I'm Lydia, aka Literally Lydia on YouTube. I make all sorts of content, including finance, budgeting, day in my life, vlogs, and I do fashion hauls. I actually have a fashion haul coming up soon. I'm doing an Abercrombie and Fitch summer haul, so I can't wait to do that for you as well. I'm going to get to cleaning. I'm gonna get dressed. Okay, so after I cleaned my office and my closet room, whatever, and I vacuumed, cleaned all the surfaces, put everything away, I changed over the laundry, put on a load of towels. I'm just packing my beach bag. So I have this Colleen Hoover book. It's called Maybe Someday. I haven't really been able to get into this one, so that's why I'm gonna take this one to the beach and read it. And then I have my water bottle, which I have to fill up. And then this is my Kindle, which I brought yesterday, but I didn't read because I was with a bunch of people. So I'm gonna bring this. I'm gonna fill this up with water and ice. I've got my Banana Boat sunscreen. I already put sunscreen on my face. I have my sunglass case, and then I'm just going to grab 2 towels. Before that, I just took up a bunch of Lululemon stuff that I always hang to dry. So I'm just gonna fold that up so I can put it away so that I'm done of laundry for the day. I love going out and then waking up the next day and being productive. Like, I don't know, it makes me feel so much better. It like is my cure to a hangover. I know a lot of people probably aren't like that, but I did like sleep a lot last night. Like I slept till like 11, I think I woke up. I kept like waking up because I hate staying alone, especially in a house, but anyway, it's fine. I have to get used to it because I'm moving out next year, but anyway. But yeah, so I'm just gonna fold this laundry. So I always take my Lululemon fanny pack and I always put my wallet in here and my phone in here and zip it, just because my beach bag is open like this, like it has an open top. So, and this beach bag, I'm obsessed with it. It's from Ardeen and it's so cute. It was literally like $10 and it was like one of the best purchases ever. Like it's so cute. Okay, oh, let's turn this down. Okay, so I am in the car and I'm headed out to the beach. I brought my toast for the road because I want to get as much beach time in as possible, so I'll just eat on the road out. I'm just gonna listen to some music and I'm gonna drive out to the beach. I'm not sure which beach I'm gonna go. Probably Ross Lane is probably where I'll go. That's where I went yesterday and I really enjoyed it. So it's probably where I'm gonna go today. It was really quiet compared to Brackley and Stanhope. So yeah, I'll probably just go to Ross Lane and that's where we're gonna be. Okay. I will check in when we get to the beach.
Just another sunny day in Southern California. It's where the people came to play. Don't let them transform you. Oh, come and see what you've been missing. On a little slice of heaven. It's the only place we're living. It's that West Coast point of view. Easy when it's always summertime fun. You and I get free attitude. Who cares what the people think? It's been turning kinda gray in Southern California, but I'm allergic to the rain. What happened to euphoria?
Okay, so I just got to the beach and I'm just going to walk across the street and go in, and it literally could not be a more perfect day. It says it's 20 degrees, but I feel like it'll be hotter when I get to the beach. Let's go to the beach. Woohoo! Okay, so I just got into the shower and I put on a little bit of mascara. I did my eyebrows and then put a little under eye concealer, even though I think I need a summer shade because I definitely don't match. And I just have my hair in a towel. But I just thought I would show you how I do my hair whenever it's curly. So when it's curly, I always shampoo it and condition it upside down so that the curls form easier. So, and then I just dry it in either like a towel like this. This is like a microfiber towel, or I use just 100% cotton t-shirt instead of a towel because it reduces like the friction in your hair. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use some Mixed Chicks leave-in conditioner and some Olaplex number 7. So I'm gonna start with the Olaplex number 7 and kind of just like move it into my hair, and like kind of focus it on my roots because sometimes that's where my hair gets frizziest the easiest. So I'm just gonna show you how I do that. So I flip my head upside down, but first I'll put like, I have a lot of hair, so I put like 1, 2, 3, 4 little drops of it. So I just tap the bottom, I rub it into my palms, and then I just kind of like zhuzh it like that, and I focus it more on the ends, and then whatever is left over I just kind of like smooth into my roots like that, so my hair doesn't get frizzy at the root. As you can see, that's what I do. And then I take the Mixed Chicks leave-in conditioner. I've used this stuff for years, and I just get it at my drugstore. You can get it at like Target, I think, in the States. So I just put a bunch on, and I just kind of like crunch it into my hair like that. And then if you want to, you can diffuse it, but I try to use less heat on my hair when I leave it curly, and I find my hair has enough natural curl that I don't need to diffuse it. So yeah, that's kind of how I do that. And yeah, that's kind of the finished look. And then like I do with the Olaplex, I just kind of rub the excess back through my roots. So yeah, that's what it looks like. And I just kind of let it go natural parts wherever it kind of chooses, and it will dry super nice. And I'm using, so I use Olaplex shampoo, Olaplex, I think it's 3 or 4 for my shampoo, and then for my conditioner I kind of bounce between different conditioners, but I use my sister's conditioner. It's the Heritage by Mindy. She's a YouTuber and her line is at Walmart, so it's super affordable. I think it's like $13 for the bottle, and it's really great if you have curly hair or straight hair. I think my sister uses it and she has straight hair. But like, look at those curls, like they look awesome. So yeah, I'm just gonna let it dry naturally. You can put it up in a clip if you want it to dry more curlier, have more volume, but I like it just as is. And yeah, that's what it looks like. So yeah, so when I got back from the beach, I went to Blaze Pizza and I got a pizza because I did not want to cook, and there was nothing really at the house that I could cook for dinner. So I went to Blaze, and then I came back and I ate it, and I got in the shower and then did a little light makeup. I literally just put a concealer, mascara, and I did my eyebrows, brushed them out, and that's kind of it. That's all I did. And we're leaving here soon to go to my aunt's birthday. So yeah, that's what we're doing. I'm wearing this super cute romper. I got this last summer from Old Navy, and it's so cute. I'm literally obsessed with it. It has like the little shorts. I wish I got it a size smaller, but it's super comfortable and it's great for the summer. Like if you want to throw it on over a bathing suit, yeah, throw it on over a bathing suit, or just like, I don't know, just wear it chill. But yeah, you can dress it up probably or dress it down. I'm probably just gonna put on my Birkenstocks again, my Birkenstock sandals. But yeah, that's what we're gonna do. Thank you so much for watching today's video. If you liked it, please like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you in my next video. Bye!